Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to find a parking on Google Maps. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's say for example that we are in Google Maps and say for example we're here in London. So how exactly do we find a parking space? Well, there is a feature where we can go ahead and search for parking by taking a look at all of these items right here. So we have restaurants, groceries, coffee, and then if you scroll all the way to the right, you should be able to see parking right there. If you do not see this, then all you need to do is to click on those three dots or click on more, and then we're going to be scrolling all the way down until we can go ahead and see parking right here. So just go ahead and click on this, and this will give you all of the parking results that you have. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and look for the ones which is something quite relevant to what you're looking at. So say for example, let's take a look at this Just Park right here. Then you should be able to get more information about this particular parking itself. So where it is located, what is the address, and any connected website, and also a review or a summary of the actual parking itself. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.